Hello everyone, Technomads here with another video, and today we are looking at combination charts. Combination charts is similar to what we did in the previous video where we were looking at XY scatter with two Y axis, but in this scenario we will not go to the scatter chart in the same, but what we will do is we'll just select the same data set, go over to the combination chart, pick whichever you fancy and let it insert. So the first thing you notice immediately is that Excel is sort of confused about how to handle this information, and it's comparing time and temperature and light in the y-axis over a scale of 1 to 16, which is not the scale you want. So the first thing you need to do is select the chart, head over to design, select data, delete time from the vertical, go to the horizontal range and select the same series, hit OK, and you notice that now your x-axis has changed. So the next thing we need to be able to do is to insert, for the light we want to insert its y scale in the secondary vertical axis. So simply selecting that, going to format data series and set to secondary axis, you notice automatically that the scales have readjusted, and now it's quite possibly easy to visualize the information you're looking at because you have two different scales. So that thing with a combination chart, let's insert the axis titles and let us also insert the vertical grid line. So if you want that, if you don't want that, you can delete them and just throw in the minor articles, the minor and primary and vertical lines, just to make the data more presentable. So the third thing, we can play around with colors. As you can see, this is not a very good looking chart, so adjusting your colors as you wish or picking from a different style, just to make sure that your data set is quite easy to visualize and quite understandable in the same regard. So beyond this point now is just some visual work on the same data series, but these are the basics that you need to be able to make sure you can do. If you want to readjust the position of the legend, bring it to the top, it's quite easy, coming here and adjusting its position according to where you want the information to be displayed. Thank you for watching. If you like the series on the charts for Microsoft Excel and you want us to look at any other different types of charts that you can work with in Excel, don't forget to hit us up in the comment section, and we'll try to listen to that, to look into that and prepare a video for that. If you like the series, share, comment, and always subscribe to the channel if you like the content we're pushing out here. Thank you.